Well, before we go through all the spectacular details on this very special Martin guitar, we're going to do that tuning test again now that the compensated cantilevered bridge saddle and the compensated nut are done. So open string, 12th fret, 7th fret, 19th fret octave, open string again, and fretted first note. This is one of 25 of this model that were made. This particular guitar, number 25, out of a limited edition of 25, this was the 2005 NAMM show showcase guitar for Martin and Company. So both the neck and the head block are Spanish cedar. For us in the Western world, when you think cedar, you think of something you could put a thumbnail print in. Spanish cedar is a whole different story. It's pretty well identical to most mahoganies in weight, density, and stability. You know, it's got this wonderful spicy smell. Well, you just open the case and the aroma of the Spanish cedar becomes immediately apparent, much like Brazilian rosewood does. It has an exceptionally wide grain Adirondack spruce top. And this is our cantilevered, compensated bridge saddle. This is for regular light 12 to 53 strings at concert pitch. This is the hand-signed label by Chris Martin IV, number 25 of 25. So this is the custom carbon fiber case that it comes in. Now that all the calibration has been done and the humidity has been brought up to exactly where it should be, with this case it'll be very easy for Chris to maintain that humidity level year-round. And there you have it. C.F. Martin's KOA Special. Cheers. Thanks for tuning in.